We are currently a technical education provider in India. We are educating the students in technical domain and providing the technical training services to the educational institutions and also online classrooms, to better serve the needs of educators in bringing innovative REST education and project-based learning experiences into the classroom.
REST education is also essential for us. From that we can learn more educational and something new different in electronics. For example, Vitvaraa app. That app will help us to know what was the things in there in electronics.
Vitvaraa app enables the Internet of Things. Vitvaraa aims to provide the best framework to unravel the mystery technologies we Internet by.
Vitvaraa Electronics.
REST education.
Vitvaraa app. REST education.
REST education.
Vitvaraa app.
Vitvaraa app.
REST education.
Vitvaraa app. Vitvaraa app.
REST education.
REST education.
REST education.
REST education. REST education.
REST education.
At Vitvaraa, our mission is to put the power of electronics in the hands of everyone. To help students to be successful and be innovative to step into the world where he unlocks the doors to the future.